Your iPhone might be exposing your personal data every time you browse the web. Your location, IP address, camera, microphone, and browsing habits can all be shared without you noticing. Let me show you the Safari settings you should turn off right now. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Now find and tap Safari. Scroll down to Privacy and Security. Turn on Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. This stops websites from tracking you across different sites. Next, tap Hide IP Address. Select from trackers. Your IP address is like your home address online. Hiding it helps protect your privacy. Make sure Fraudulent Website Warning is turned on. Also, turn on Not Secure Connection Warning. These protect you from fake or unsafe websites. Scroll down and tap Advanced. Enable advanced tracking and fingerprinting. Protection. Set it to all browsing. This blocks hidden tracking methods websites use to identify you. Now tap Website Data. This shows all the data websites have saved on your iPhone. You can delete individual sites or tap Remove All Website Data. This is good housekeeping and improves privacy. Go back to Safari settings. Tap Camera, Microphone, and Location. For each one, set it to Ask instead of Allow. This way, websites must ask permission before accessing your camera or mic. Scroll up to Search. Turn off Search Engine Suggestions and Safari Suggestions. This prevents Safari from sending your searches before you even hit search. Now tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Turn off Learn from this app and Show App Suggestions. This stops Siri from analyzing your browsing history. Finally, scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Choose All Time and confirm. Doing this regularly helps keep your browsing private. And that's it. These Safari settings can massively improve your privacy on iPhone. Follow and subscribe for more iOS security and privacy tips.